This is the Jamal Adel. The portable vlogging kit is designed to enhance your audio and video quality for vlogging, live streaming and content creation on the go. The Aputure MC RGB LED and Deity VIJIM D4 Mini is compatible with the smartphone, action cameras and other cameras. The lightweight and compact design is very convenient whether you are shooting indoors or outdoors. With a Deity D4 Mini microphone available for $49.95, you do not need any additional accessories but get a hassle-free audio solution. The MC is the first light from Aputure to offer full color control for hue, saturation and intensity HSI and is available for $90. The MC is a light that is ready for any solution. Whenever you need it, you can control MC LED via the Sidus Link app and you can find the link to the app in the description. With the app Sidus Link, you can adjust all the parameters of the effects. With the Aputure MC, you are even more flexible when filming, because it offers you several lighting modes: HSI color mode, white light with the CCT mode, lighting effects with the FX mode and much more. And I have attached this Deity mic with the GoPro and you can see the mount, how I can attach the Deity mic with this. This is the way I have attached the mic. I have attached the mic with it and I have used the light on it. So it's like a proper vlogging setup. I'm using a Deity mic for the audio testing and this is the mic testing, and they are providing the dead cat fur on it, so you can remove even this fur, you can remove it. And this is the only mic, we have, and you can use this mic dead cat fur on it, so it can reduce the wind sound or anything unusual sound, so it can clear the sound very well. I have set up the Deity mic towards myself so you can listening the clear sound, and I'm using as for vlogging, and so I can shoot. This is a Nasriya park. This park is very near to my home. It's like 10 kilometers from my home, and you can see there are plenty of trees, and you can also find the dates here. These are basically date trees. Specially designed for GoPro Hero 9 action cameras with GoPro mic adapter. It features a professional microphone, tripod and LED light. The Deity VIJIM D4 Mini is a high quality, affordable microphone that lets you capture directional audio and reject noise coming from off camera. Use MC as a camera light. With its lightweight, slim profile, you are always ready to go. The LED light is amazing bright despite its lightweight. The vlogging kit gives you everything you need to record professional quality videos with your smartphone. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for vlogging or mobile filmmaking. With the Deity V4 microphone and Aputure MC RGB light, the vlogging kit is perfect for anyone. It's time to take your content to the next level. The MC is RGB LED with full color control for hue, saturation and intensity HSI. With 360 of hue and 100 levels of saturation, you have the ability to reproduce any color all in the palm of your hand. Turn your action camera into professional vlogging setup, equipped with the compact Deity V4 D4 microphone for recording high quality audio, Aputure MC RGB LED on camera light. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for creatives. This epic kit includes GoPro 9 cage, Aputure MC RGB light and Deity D4 mini microphone. This portable combination will stabilize your action camera with a powerful LED light and clear audio for any vlogging project. I have included all the website links in the video description, and if you have any question, ask me in the comments. If you are looking for travel videos, click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and see you next time.